guys. See the inside. It's a window shopping for golfers. Nike 264 the board 24.99 in the wool group this gold tees wood wool gold tees. Okay. It's a window shopping block for today. Okay. Okay. What's new in the sport check in Canada? See what's new. Okay. NBA shoes. This is for LeBron. What's this? Precision. Kyrie shoes. It's the NBA second NBA shoes. Kyrie shoes. Okay. It's about 104. And KD. Oh, cheapest KD. So KD, LeBron, and Miss Curry. Steph Curry shoes. Okay. So that's it for now. The NBA shoes at the Sport Check in Canada, Saskatchewan. Okay. The running shoes is here. New version of Air Max. So that's it for now, guys. So that's it for now. Oh, a working shot color green. Okay, each size. See, a Birkenstock made in Germany, green color. How much? No price tag. 43, 42, 41, 42, 43, 143, 142, 141. Birkenstock. Okay guys, so only 3 NBA shoes, LeBron, Steph Curry, and KD. Okay guys, see you guys for now. So, time to go home now. Okay, that's the mall in Saskatchewan, Canada. Okay, this is the cafe. See, the new cafe until now not open. now to go home to finish the vlog for today about shopping, the NBA window shopping, the NBA shoes, and shopping again to Philmart. See, that's the rest. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. So click the button, notification bell, likes, comments, and share. And subscribe for new upcoming videos for this week until next week for my YouTube channel, Amazing Don Road. Okay, see you guys. That's it. Hopefully you like it, this vlog for today. Don't forget to subscribe and click the button notification bell for upcoming new videos in my YouTube channel. Okay, see you guys.